Hey there, I'm going to make a quick little video to show you how you can get into the website and get all the information that you need for your lesson plans. So after you log in, you'll be sent to the page inside where you'll get to see the 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade lesson plans. So it should look like this. So let's say you need the 8th grade lesson plan units. You're going to click on this blue 8th grade lesson plan units line right here. And you'll see that we have 4 units right now. So 9-week narrative reading and writing unit, 9-week argument and persuasion unit, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the narrative reading and writing unit, open that up, and we'll see what's inside. Here we go. So let's say you're ready to start with grade 8 narrative lesson plans week 1. You can click on that line and you'll see that it just downloaded in the lower left-hand side of my screen. I'm going to click on Open when done. Maybe yours downloads on the right-hand side, maybe yours is not set up to download immediately, but whatever the case may be, you can always look in your Downloads folder, or wherever your items are automatically downloaded onto your computer. So I'm going to click on the down arrow, and then you'll see right here, these are all the lesson plans. So my actual lesson plan unit page, the pages that I can use each and every day, are here. Week 1, day 1. We have our objective, we have our I can statement, we have our standards, and then we have all the procedures right here. You can click on the links to go straight to the activities. There's one page for each day of the week. I'm going to back out of this one here and show you something else. We also have the bell ringers for the entire week all in one PowerPoint file. So that's ready to go. You can push it out to your students through their Chromebooks, or you can display it on your own wall or your own board in the classroom. So they're all right there. Then moving on, you see that everything else has to do with the actual assignments. So 8.1.1 means that's grade 8, week 1, day 1. And so that would be an I am poem, a narrative poem for your students to write, kind of an autobiographical poem. And so this is a handout that you would have for your students to complete. You'll also notice that it's actually labeled the same thing in the upper left-hand corner of every page. And that's so that if you print off several things at once and they all come out together, you can easily tell what page goes for what day. And then there's even a little rubric there for you. One more thing to show you is that, see here where it says 8.1.1T, teacher ideas, if you see a T, that means it's just an idea sheet for teachers. If you see an S, that means it's just for students. And really that one right there should have an S, but I left it off by accident, I guess. So we open up the teacher ideas page, and these are just ideas for what you can do throughout the week, just different ways to use some of the materials in here. And like this one, there's a really good TED Talk. And then I did put a disclaimer because every video in here is something that I have personally viewed. So this is a disclaimer because it uses ass and jackass, and so you can decide for yourself if that's going to be appropriate depending on your school, your environment, your kids. But anyway, that's where the lesson plans are. I hope you found that video helpful, and if you have any other questions, feel free to hit reply on the email and let me know.